In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SaaS Starter Kit to launch a production-ready SaaS product in just 1 to 2 hours. The SaaS Starter Kit takes care of all the boilerplate necessities for a production system, including authentication, billing, subscriptions, quota management, notifications, and more. By using the kit, you can focus on building features your customers value. We offer a completely free version of the SaaS Starter Kit you can download through the link in the description below if you want to try it out. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about how to build, launch, and make money with SaaS products. Let's take a look at the kit. When users sign into your product, they'll have access to a mobile-friendly, responsive dashboard where they can manage their account. You can easily extend this dashboard and add your own menu items, screens, and custom features. You can also easily customize what's already in the dashboard if you want to change the behavior or the way it looks. One of the most complex things to implement in a SaaS product is plan management. Most new SaaS teams will spend weeks or sometimes months trying to get this right. The kit supports everything you need for billing and plan management, and it's all built on top of Stripe. Users can manage their plan directly in the admin dashboard or through the Stripe customer portal if you want to allow that. The kit supports monthly and annual billing intervals, free trials, upgrade and downgrade paths that handle billing cycles properly with proration and scheduled plan changes. It handles cancellations and even grandfathering people in from old plans. And so much more you really don't want to have to think about when you're trying to get your product launched. Hand in hand with billing is quota management. Whether you want users' plans to be limited based on transactions, users, storage, or any other metric that your application requires, the kit supports it. Users can see how close they are to their plan limits, and you can throttle or suspend usage in the given billing cycle when they go over their limits. The kit will automatically send notifications to users when they're nearing their plan limits, if they have failed payments, or if their free trial is ending. And you can easily build on top of the notification system to add your own notifications for whatever your app and users need. The kit supports both in-app notifications as well as email notifications. If you have a service you want to expose to developers or open up to integrations, the kit lets users generate multiple named API keys with custom expiration dates. There are a lot of other features in the dashboard, but let's take a look at what's available besides the dashboard. Of course, every SaaS product needs authentication, and the starter kit makes it super easy by providing integration into Supabase to support email authentication, as well as support for numerous OAuth or click to sign in providers such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. And when site visitors land on your domain, they can see your content pages such as your homepage, About Us page, blog, terms of service, etc. And you can customize or replace all of these content pages. To make customization easy, the kit ships with many ready-to-use components built on top of a highly customizable design system. The SaaS Starter Kit builds on top of industry-leading tools to make support and expansion of your app easy. The app deploys and runs on top of 3 primary tools: Vercel, which hosts your application code and exposes your domain. It allows one-click deployment so your SaaS product is live on the web in minutes. Supabase, which runs your database and authentication with powerful built-in features, and Stripe for payments. This is the backbone for subscriptions, plan changes, trials, and actually charging money from your customers. That's it, 3 primary tools working together in a clean setup. Free accounts are fine to get everything up and running at first. When you're ready to actually launch to real users, you'll at least want to explore paid plans for Vercel and Supabase, and Stripe charges with transaction fees, of course. The kit itself is a GitHub repository called the SaaS Starter Kit template. The code is built on React, TypeScript, and Next.js, all industry-leading and extremely well-supported frameworks. We have a free version of the SaaS Starter Kit you can check out if you click on the link in the description below. To actually run the app, you'll need to deploy it to Vercel. We have step-by-step instructions in course format in our online community. You can set it up yourself with our installation docs, and most people are able to get that done in about a day, including the time it takes to create the accounts on Stripe, Vercel, and Supabase. But if you aren't technical or just want to move faster, we can help set everything up, which usually only takes about 1 to 2 hours. The installation process is pretty straightforward. First, you set up your accounts on Supabase, Vercel, Stripe, and GitHub. Next, you get the starter kit template, which is a GitHub repository. Then you deploy the code to Vercel, which is just a button click from inside of Vercel. And after it's deployed, you configure the app, which involves a few steps, including running some database scripts, setting up some environment variables so the app can access Supabase and Stripe, and setting yourself up as a super admin for the app, which gives you, as the product's owner, access to configuration features inside of the dashboard. Then finally, you log in and configure the app settings using the super admin dashboard. One of the first things you'll want to do is configure your plans. Of course, you'll need to decide what you want to charge users. Then you'll log in as a super admin and go to the super admin plan management section of the dashboard. Once in there, you'll be able to change features, metrics, and plan configurations. This configuration is tied into both the billing and quota management functionality of your product. After you've configured your product, you can focus on extending it by adding your own features. This involves your developers setting up their local development environments and writing code for your product. If you already have built some code and want to make it work with the SaaS Starter Kit, we have an in-depth guide in our online community and even host weekly calls to support everyone who's building on top of the SaaS Starter Kit. When you're ready to go live, after you've added your features, you'll need to set up your own custom domain inside of Vercel, which is a really straightforward process. And once that's done, you can start promoting and monetizing your product. So who is the SaaS Starter Kit for? It's really for anybody building a new subscription-based product. The SaaS Starter Kit is the perfect starting point for launching an API service, accessing an AI model, an SEO tool, building an accounting service, a CRM, a recruiting platform, just about any subscription service that you want to launch. We've helped numerous people launch products, including non-technical founders who want to release fast, software engineers who don't want to build everything from scratch and are on a deadline, agencies who are launching multiple SaaS products for customers, and even bigger startups wanting to launch a new product offering. If you want help installing the kit or have questions, feel free to join our online community by following the link in the description below. If you're not sure if the kit is right for you, you can post in the community, or I'm glad to hop on a 15-minute call to help you out and help you explore if it's a good option for you. We offer a completely free version of the SaaS Starter Kit you can download through the link in the description below if you want to try it out. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about how to build, launch, and make money with SaaS products. Thank you for watching.